Yes, once again welcome. We are at the big site project. You can see a big excavation ongoing here. The place have been finished with the roofing. We have to go with the plastering, but on my certain site I harvest water. So this is a water tank which we cost budgeting around 50,000, but at the end of the day, it's going to save. Even after the building is going to save much. Going to harvest the rainwater into it, the filter it and reuse for washing, bathing, flashing, and other stuff. It's going to come from the rooftop, so you don't depend on the water, government water every day. If we could all do this and sometimes walk away from government electricity, water, I think we ease the government and also have relief for ourselves. For now, you will see it's spending a lot into it, but with time, you may notice it comes free in a way, so you can save a lot. Because if a whole family uses it, then anytime it rains, you get more. As I've done it at the other side. Yes. Thank you.
Welcome back to the Beach House project. It's been a while since I uploaded an update of this, project, but here we are kicking off with the water reservoir for this project.
This is always what I say. Nature too can make construction sometimes very cheaper. The excavation, deeper it goes, it have given me a clean sand for plastering. So now, looking at the quantity and the size that I have now, meaning I'm not going to buy sand for plastering. So it might not be cost of plastering process. But at places where nature can allow you to do so, meaning it's going to be part. So all buildings can have the same cost. Yes, depend upon what nature can also provide you. Very clean sand.
So that was Engineer Sammy for you, and this is the advantage you get if you are using, a contractor or an engineer on your project, and also having the right team. So fast forward, we have Efo doing the carpentry for the platform, and also our steel bender Ni, who is with his team together working hand in hand, as I always preach here on the channel. They are creating the platform for the beach house project. So if it is your first time seeing this project, as the name goes, it's a beach house project and it's located right, by the beach side. It's around, I have the start of this project all the way from foundation to, the latest update, what you see now and what we will be doing in the future. So if you are interested to see more of this project, how the finishing will be, please go to my playlist.
Into this tank. Yes. So for now, if it rains, we don't buy water. No. So as we are going to be working here on plastering on anything, we don't buy water till thy kingdom come. Yes. have water here. This is a very large water, large quantity of water because the distance is very deep here, about 12 feet. So if you can have this size, about 12 feet deep water here, then you may know the quantity of water you are having. You have a nice cover to it. We won't be buying water anymore, even after flashing and everything, washing and all, everything is being picked from here. We don't buy water outside anymore. Yes, this is if you have the zeal to do it, because this costs us 65,000 in doing this, but it has solved a lot of problem because the water system here sometimes very bad. But for this, even the houses here now don't buy water anymore. Yes, even when you have access to water, even the stress that you go in before it gets to you every time you need it. No, there's a tap here, electricity here, but you know Ghana here for a tap to flow for continuous 1 month is a problem. So this is what we have.
I know someone may ask, why didn't we go for a borehole? And that's because we are just close to the sea. And going with a borehole, the salt content in the ground is going to be more. So we decided to go with the rainwater, harvesting the rainwater. So that's why we're moving this way. So watch out for my next episode. We're looking at the electricals and also the plumbing work, and also we're going for the windows as well. And once again, since we are by the coast side, like I said, we are just at the sea, right? I think it's like maybe 100 steps to the sea. So we are going with plastic for the electricals. We saw the circuit, the conduit is plastic, and also we are using wood for the window frame. I know most of us are used to the aluminium, but we are not taking any chances at all because of the location. So as you can see, the frames are ready to be installed, and we'll be using galvanized, I mean pure galvanized for the louvers. So we will be using the glass is going to be the louvers, and I think this is something that is not common these days. So if you really want to see how we're going with this and how it will look at the end, I mean, this a lot of people can also learn one or two things. Those that are building closer to the sea, I mean, with time, the sea breeze will destroy, those aluminum, and it's all about time. It's all about time. So to prevent future maintenance and all that, we are just going straight with wood. So let's see how it will turn out to look like. So then I think this brings us to the end of today's episode. I really do appreciate your time spent here on the channel. Please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next episode.